I'm up on the side of the trusses on the tall side, and I finally can see what has been banging around up on the hill for the last couple days. Looks like somebody bought the bunker property. Good morning, noon, or night, everybody. Today we're out here finishing up the strip sheathing on the side of this big wall here. You dogs. June. Settle down. Hi, June. What? I see you. You've been here the whole time. I know. We took a break midweek to go over to the Johnson's house and help them with their slab pour in their garage with the apartment over the top. If you haven't checked out Marty's channel yet, I'll put a link down in the description. His channel is Martin Johnson Off Grid. All right, guys, it's pretty dewy this morning. I just want to catch you up to speed. We got that wall finished. All this is going just a little bit slower than I thought it would. Seems to be the case on everything, which I should be used to it by now, but I don't learn. The reason I think it's going slower is one, I'm not super comfortable climbing around on this. I'm getting more comfortable. So there's that. And number two is it's a lot. This is a lot more than I was expecting. It's a little overwhelming, but I think we got it handled. And this thing's huge. There's a lot of 2x4s that I'm nailing up here, but we're trucking along. I think my dad's going to be up here today. We're hoping to get the far gable end done. That's all that's left for the strip sheathing. And then we need to do the roof. And I have not gotten on top of the trusses yet. I have not walked on top of these. So we'll see how that goes. So hanging out on the roof, as you saw, I got a new nail gun. The old one didn't hold up at all, had what, box and a half nails through it. So got a new one, got the hook up on that. This one seems nicer. So we're able to bang away pretty quick on this. Like maybe a third of the way done. All right, everybody, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows up here today. You see them up here behind me. It's a pretty good workout climbing around up there. I am gonna be in some of the best shape that I've been in a while when I'm done building this. This is really good to keep you fit. But anyway, we got 7 rows up there, so we're trucking along with that. Hopefully we can get at least another third of it done tomorrow, maybe some more. That would be good. If you haven't already, please like down at the bottom and also subscribe to the channel. We're gonna get this thing wrapped, get some metal on it. So we got a few more projects coming up before we do some inside stuff, finishing everything inside of there. So we got a lot going on. And most importantly, I wanna thank you for watching this video. It helps support me trying to do things like this in videos like this. Thank you. We'll see you next time.